back to another video. So probably just a quick one today. I always say that and it ends up being long, doesn't it? So it's 3 days since Halloween, so these nails need to come off. Well, the design needs to come off. I'm not actually going to take the nails off because I really don't need to. I'm just going to file this Halloween stuff off and just do a little redesign. They're a bit out of shape, this finger and thumb, you know, where I've been filing sets of nails. So I'm just going to file this Halloween design off, tidy them up a bit and just do a quick redesign. Nothing, got a piab, look, got a piab on my finger. It's not a piab, I promise. So let's just get these filed off and then I don't know what to do on them, we'll see. Right guys, that is them all filed off and I've gone over them with a fine grit buffer. So I'm just gonna give them a little scrub, get all the dust off, some alcohol, get any grease off, whatever. I'm only gonna do one hand on camera. I'll do my other hand off camera later. But I'll give them a good clean. Right guys, it's going to be a very simple design, but I'm going bright. I'm going bright. Look what I've got. So I'm using bright Barbie pink neon. I'm using vitamin C. I love this blue, it's beautiful. And I'm using creme brulee, gorgeous, gorgeous nude. Whilst I've got these colours out and whilst I remember, put this in your diaries guys, this is a good one. I have got, and it's for 1 day only, 12th of November, I've got a 50% off code guys for Madam Glam, 50% half price. I'll leave it in my description box, I'll flash it up on the screen, 12th of November. So yeah, stick it in your diary, 50% off, I'll be there, that's for sure. Anyway, let's get on with this design, shall we? Right, so all my nails are going to have a coat of this except my pointer finger. So again, this is creme brulee. So yeah, I'm going to put this on all the nails and I'm going to put vitamin C on my pointer finger. Probably just one coat, but if I need 2 coats, I'll do the second coat off camera. Right, so that's them colours down. So I'm just going to put a little bit of the pink. I need a bit more than that actually. And a bit of the blue on my palette. Right, and I'm going to start with the pinky, and I just want a slice on my pinky. Normally I would, I like to paint on a matte top coat, but because I don't want these nails to be bulky, I'm just going straight in over the tacky layer, if you will. Right guys, now what I'm going to do is on these 3 nails that are just nude, I've got a skinny mini dotting tool out, and I'm just going to do some animal print, some, do you call it leopard print? I don't know, but let's go for it. Let's go. So just all different size splodges, there's no right or wrong way to do this kind of print, is there? Just go in with your splodges and get splodging. Right, and now I'm just going to use an even skinnier tool with the black. You can use gel polish, I'm using gel paint, and you just want to do some little like half moons or letter C's around them. It really is one of the easiest designs to do. Right, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do some random little dots and little shapes with just the black. Like that, guys, and then I'm going to do exactly the same on all the other nails. Right guys, that's them all cured. I love them. Now we just need to decide matte or glossy. Matte or glossy. I'm thinking glossy. Yeah, let's go glossy. So I'm going to give them a nice coat, glossy top coat. It might need 2 coats. If it still feels a bit lumpy bumpy after 1 coat, then just give it a little buff and give it another layer of top coat, but we shall see.
like a trend, you are a symbol of something no one ever will.
Right guys, that's them what? That's them done. I did give them 2 coats of top coat because they weren't quite smooth. I just gave them a quick buff after that first top coat and top coated them again. I like them. Very plain, very simple. Well, they're not very plain. Easy, I'd say they're very easy to do. Yeah, I like them. Just need to get this hand done now, but let me know what you think, guys. But yeah, that's it for today. Just a quick redesign. If you enjoyed the video and you like them, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And don't forget the 12th of November. 50% off, guys. Half price. Here's my code. It's in the description box. Take care, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Bye.